Welcome back. In this video that you have understood that why this is so much important. Now in this situation I'm going to show you that how we're going to use the particles to emit from this object, right? So it's very easy. So first thing is go to this effects and you have this n particle. And now you can see we have a lot of options, and you have seen that emit from object, right? So this is a very simple and normal thing, that emit from object. And of course you need to make it, reset and create. All right, so now go to attribute editor. Now when we are going to use this n particle, you can see n nuclear also. N nuclear means you can say like a brain of this n particle kind of thing, n cache, n particle, n cloth, everything is connected with this nucleus. All right, this is like gravity kind of thing. Gravity means the nature is there, right? Now we have got emitter also, and we have got this n particle also, right? So n particle is a shape kind of thing. If it is not, you're not getting that shape, what you can make, you can click on the shape and you can see we have plus sign. Now you can click here, so you can directly go to the shape node. So this is a forceful thing kind of thing. So always it is not happening like that. If it is not, if you are not, some problem has come, so then you can use this forceful thing to have your work done, right? So moving on, we have this n particle. Now what will happen? You can see if I go for this emitter. Now here we have emitter type, and emitter type is omni. What is omni means? Omni means is what, that each and every every vertex you have or UV you have, it is going to be emitting particle from each and every vertex. And you can see we have 100 per second, means in 24 you have 100 particles from each vertex. It is going to be a huge, right? So what should I say, that you have to consider this whole object as an emitter. I don't need to emit from each vertex, right? So I need to tell that surface, the emitter type is a surface. Simple. So this is a surface kind of thing. So now it will understand that there is no vertex. This is a whole entire object. So now what will happen if I play this? It is a very normal thing that it is emitting particles from this object. But I don't need something like this. What I need exactly, and I can see that select it and select this one. I need that this particle should not go beyond of this geometry. That means it should stick with this geometry. So how can I do that? And we can do this thing by using goal. So goal means is what? Goal means is like a glue kind of thing, you can say. Goal means is glue. That means is what, that this particle is going to be sticked with this geometry. And goal weight, you can say that glue weight. So I'm telling you that glue to make you understand the proper way, that I need to increase this, of course. And of course means is that this is a maximum amount. It is not going beyond of that, right? So select it, and then create. What happened? Nothing. Now play, you can see what is happening. It is emitting from this geometry, but it is not going downward, right? Now you can see this is not what we want, right? We want the particle should come from inside and go outside, right? All right. So we need to do lots of things to do that. So now select this n particle and n particle shape I am talking about. We are not going to use this emitter right now. And go and search for an option called add dynamic attribute and per particle area attribute, right? And in this per particle area attribute, you can see goal pp, all right, per particle. But we have goal, but we don't have goal u and goal v. Why goal u and goal v is needed? Because particles is always using UVs, not the vertex, right? Now see, if we don't have that, click on this general. Now you can go for this particle, and you can see we have this goal U and goal V. Choose OK. You can see we have goal V and U, right? So what to do with this? So you can see if I right click on this goal U and create ramp. Ramp means, as you know, that like a gradient kind of thing. So ramp is created, and if I go to this hypershade, now you can see also a ramp is created. So ramp is normal ramp, and right click and click here and go to edit ramp. I need to edit the ramp. Now see why I need to edit the ramp and what is the ramp is doing. Now see if I play, you can see something is happening. It is coming from outside and it is going inside. See? But it is very fast, so we need to address something. The right click, edit ramp. Now it should come from inside, right? And it should go to outside. So what should I do? I have to reverse it. Very, very simple thing. And the linear interpolation and to make it smooth. That means that we need a smooth flow kind of thing. Now you can see what will happen. Play. Now you can see it is coming from inside and going outside, right? But this is very, very fast, extremely fast. Two things we have to consider when you are dealing with particles, that you have to have 24 FPS, not play every frame. So then only you can see a proper speed, but this is also very, very fast, right? So how do I get very normal kind of speed? Now you can see if I scroll up, we have lifespan, right? In the lifespan, we have this is a lifespan, and this is also, you have to use 6 key, six number, right? So what will happen? Now you can see play, it is very, very slow and decent speed we have here. And why it is happening like that? From this particular point to this particular point, this entire journey it is covering in 6 seconds, right? So this is in seconds. So 6 seconds I am giving to this particle to cover entire this object. And earlier it was 1. 1 means very, very fast. Means the object is same, the size is same, but the seconds is less. So that is why it is going very fast, right? Now this is looking pretty nice, right? But we're getting what we're getting. You can see we're getting only kind of a line kind of thing. So you can see this is not what we want. We want to have everywhere. It should come from everywhere, right? Not from a single point. So that is why we have to have this V. V means this one, this, and U means is this, means the vertical and the horizontal kind of thing, you can say. Now, don't think about that goal V is going to be having the same thing. No. You have to create expression for that. And this is not a very big expression, just simple copy, middle mouse, drag and drop, the shortcut of the copy thing, and space, and this is a equal sign, space, R-A-N-D, rand, a randomness you can say, and shift 9, that means is what that, the bracket, 1 comma 0, shift and 0, that means the bracket, and create. Now you can see what happens, that the end particle v thing, this means this thing is equals to randomness. So I'm random, it is going to be random right now, and 1 to 0, this is a 1 to 0 value kind of thing, that from here to there also this is 1 to 0, right? All right, so now we have a proper expression. Now see what happens. Play. You can see this is looking really nice. The particles is moving exactly how I want, and if I hide it, I can see this is looking exactly really interesting, right? Nice. So in the next video, I'm going to show you that another lots of interesting thing, that how we're going to use this thing also to get a ripple kind of effect. So see you in the next lecture.